These are the nails I did when I was leaving New Jersey. I'm using kind of a bonder, a primer. Makes your nails stick better. I wanted them to last through my move to Arizona. And now I'm putting on 2 coats of base and putting them under the light to bake for 30 seconds a piece. And this taupe color, my mom was like, it's really not a nice color. It's not really coffee. It's a little green almost. It's not the cutest, but it was something that I hadn't packed yet. So I was like, let me use this and let me use some of the chrome powders I left for my mom. So here is the color, and I'm going to do 2 coats of this, baking for 30 seconds between each coat. I think depending on the type of light you have, the timings might be different. 30 seconds seems to work for me. I know some of them are a little bit more powerful, and you can go a little less. And here's the chrome powder I was going to use. Super cool, like a pink, purple, iridescent. Very pretty. And I find that if you use the little makeup eyeshadow brushes that come with the chrome powders, in this case they did at least, it gives you a different chrome than if you use a brush. I used to use a fan brush for the chrome powders, which would leave it a little bit more chunky, I would say, instead of rubbed into the nail and giving that more iridescent look as you move your nails around. I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. And this is the finished look. Pretty cool. I mean, not my favorite ever, but very good for what I needed. I needed my nails coated. I needed them stronger so that I could move and not break anything before I got on the plane. Thanks for watching. Bye.